It is, without a doubt, one of the strangest variants of a high-volume vehicle on sale in the US right now, the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox fitted with the company's 1.6-liter Ecotec turbodiesel. That's right, one of the most typically American platforms fitted with an engine type that, especially given the Volkswagen Group's recent difficulties, has never been more than a niche player on these shores. Shrouded in scandal and old prejudices, it's hard to imagine many Equinox buyers checking the expensive option box to fit the oil burner to their crossover. At least, on paper.